Keter Pro Quick Latch Toolbox. We are proud to introduce the Keter Pro Quick Latch Toolbox. This innovative new toolbox is the ideal solution for your tool storage and everyday needs. Built to last, the Pro Quick Latch Toolbox is extremely durable. Easy one-hand open and close with our new innovative central quick latch. The Pro Quick Latch design with its two integrated organizers allows plenty of room for everything, from power tools to your everyday needs. Once the quick latch shuts, it is closed tightly and securely. Available in 3 sizes. It's time to get back to work with Keter.